Okay, guys, number 2 here. We're given that theta is pi over 4, which is in radians, and it says determine the exact simplified values of the 6 trig function. So let's look at a picture because it's always helpful if we can do that. Now, we know that one full rotation around is 2 pi. Half a rotation is pi. A quarter of a rotation is pi over 2. And this right here is pi over 4. Now, pi over 4 is actually the same as 45 degrees. So what we have here when we drop our perpendicular is a 45, 45, 90. And when you get more experience with working with radians, you'll just hopefully have that memorized. That's what we're going to work on next week. So if this is pi over 4, and this is xy, well, we know that this value here, let's say this is 2. Actually, that's not what I want to do. We know that this has the ratio of x root 2. And in fact, we could just work with those numbers if we wanted to. But let's just call this 1, 1, 1 root 2, because it doesn't matter, they're all going to simplify out. So if we think about the sine of theta, the cosine of theta, and the tangent of theta, the sine is going to be 1 over root 2, which we're going to rationalize to be root 2 over 2. The cosine is going to be the same thing, root 2 over 2. And the tangent will be opposite over adjacent, 1. Now, when we think about the cosecant, running out of room here, the secant and the cotangent, it's going to be the reciprocal of these. So we can even start here, the reciprocal of this, or if we think about it, root 2 over 1 will just be root 2. This will be the same, root 2. And this, the reciprocal of 1, is 1. Ta-da!